Morning student, ninth class chemistry, chapter number 5th, the periodic table. Continue with our topic, Newland's law of octave. John Newland, a scientist and a lover of music, arranged element in ascending order of atomic mass. So he arranged the element according to the ascending order of atomic mass and found that the every eighth element had property similar to the properties of the first element. So eighth and the first element have similar properties. Just as the eighth note of the musical octave is in the same as its first note. Based on this observation, Newland gave his law of octave for the classification of element. According to the Newland law of octave, when elements are arranged by increasing atomic mass, the property of every eighth element starting from the element are the repetition of the property of the starting element. So first and the eighth element is similar and having the same property. So he formed this table on the basis of the Indian music. Like sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. He arranged the element from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Elements such as hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. And Newland divided the element into horizontal row of 7 elements, each as shown above the noble. That is, the inert gases were not known at that time. So he arranged the elements but not the noble gases, which was not known at that time. Merit of Newland's classification. This system worked quite well for the lighter element. For example, the lithium, sodium and the potassium were brought together. So lighter elements are there. It related the property of the element to the atomic mass, properties related to atomic mass. For the first time, it was shown that there is a distinct periodicity in the properties of the element. So periodicity also we can able to see. Newland was honored in 1887. The Royal Society presented the Dewey Medal to Newland in 1887 for his work on classification of elements. Reason for discarding the law of octave, so means it's rejected, his law rejected. This clarification did not work with heavier element, that is those lying beyond calcium, as more and more elements were discovered. They could not be fitted into Newland's octave. So whatever the classification he did for the lighter element, not for the heavier element. So it was not suited for the heavier element. Newland adjusted the two elements, cobalt and the nickel, in the same slot, and these were placed in the same column as fluorine, chlorine and bromine, which have very different properties than these elements. So few elements which is having a different property placed together. Iron, which resembles cobalt and nickel in the property, has been placed far away from these elements. So those elements having same property, they are placed far away. So this was the problem in his table. Now Mendeleev's periodic table. In 1869, the Demirit Mendeleev, a Russian chemist, arranged all the 63 elements known at that time in increasing order of the atomic mass. Elements with similar properties were put one after the other in the same vertical column group with the blank space where the accepted periodicity of the property was distributed, that is, where the properties of an element did not tally with the properties of the element placed above it. Here he observed that the element with the similar properties occur at a regular interval. This he called as a periodicity of the property of the element. So element periodic property, that the property repeat after regular interval of time. So he placed the element like this and he arranged the element in order of their atomic mass. So basis on this, he propounded a law that is called as a Mendeleev periodic law. Mendeleev periodic law: physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic mass. So this is the definition of the Mendeleev periodic law. Here we can able to see the table, how it is arranged. That is groups, oxides, hydrides, periods here. And these are, we can see the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth column. In that two sections, AB group is given. So detail we will see of his table here. Periodic table is a chart of elements prepared in such a way that elements with the similar properties occur in the same vertical column or group. It is called periodic because elements with similar properties occur at fixed interval or period, and it is called a table because elements are arranged in tabular form.